In this video, I will show you a detailed overview of the pricing plans offered by Writecream and explain which plan is best for which type of user. For your convenience, the link of Writecream is given below so you can try it. Writecream offers 4 pricing plans: free, unlimited, standard, and extended. The free plan is perfect for individuals or small businesses looking to get started with AI writing. It offers basic features such as AI writing assistance and plagiarism checking at an affordable price. Charge $0. The unlimited plan, on the other hand, is ideal for freelancers or small teams. It includes advanced features such as unlimited word count, enhanced plagiarism checking, and priority customer support. It charges $29 per month. The standard plan provides limited features with limited word count but more than free plan. It charges $49 per month. Finally, the extended plan is designed for larger teams or businesses with more advanced writing needs. It includes all the features of the extended plan, plus additional benefits such as team collaboration tools and dedicated account management. It charges $69 per month. So, which plan is best for you in 2024? If you're an individual or small business looking to get started with AI writing, the free plan is a great choice. It offers all the essential features you need at a no price. If you're a freelancer or small team looking for more advanced features, the unlimited plan is the way to go. It provides additional benefits such as unlimited word count and enhanced plagiarism checking, making it perfect for professional writers. In conclusion, Writecream offers a range of pricing plans to suit different user needs. Whether you're an individual, freelancer, or large business, there's a plan that's right for you. Click the link in the description to try Writecream for free.